going on today? Well, as the previous video, still the same day as the previous video, well, it's me showing each and every sled, but I did say this one was next in line to get worked on. It's the 95 XCR 600. Jesus. Excellently clean in there. And then gotta get the carbs clean. Oh god, there's no room. Struggling a bit. I got it. Middle carb, rewind side carb. Both plungers are off. Don't know why. I said they were trying to clean it, but I definitely got some cleaning to do. I think I should do the cleaning before. So, oh yeah, good cleaning, but weights don't look too bad. Now wiggle. Ooh, sounds good. Make sure no part down here, you know, before we suck this thing up. Will need a new belt. Belt's kind of worn. Yeah, we'll just toss that. This thing is probably gonna crumble in my hand. Get this. That ain't supposed to be like that. That we'll have to look at too. I think that's the CDI box. So, let me put the vacuum back together, and then we'll be back. So we're working on the 95 XCR 600. Hood propped up. I didn't record it, but I got the carbs off. They were pretty filthy. Cleaned them. I also drained the tank. Didn't record that. But now I'm contemplating if I want to take the fuel pump off. I might just say screw it and try to bypass it and see what happens. Otherwise, it's not a big biggie just to take 2 bolts off and take it out. So, I also cleaned the outer of the sled. It was full of leaves. So, we're gonna put the carbs in. I am gonna get a cap for this and fill this, check the oil, put the carbs back together, and see if she runs. Okay, back to it. Finally got all the carbs cleaned in, nice and clean. Now just to take the spark plugs out, put some gas on the heads, tighten them, turn the fuel back on, put some fuel in here, probably do this first, then that, then the spark plug. See if she'll run. I'm hoping for $200 she'll be a amazing runner. Obviously can't tell right now, but give it a few more minutes and we'll see if she fires. So going to spark plugs here, feel a nice fuel. She's a little thirsty. Just keep a little bit extra, just in case. Spark plug running the BR90S. Now when I got this sled, this carburetor, this whole slide was in shambles. Wouldn't even work. So when they said they needed a carburetor to work, more than guessing, they thought everything was running. It's just not that one. Because they were messing with these two, but not that one. Yet that one was the problem. And also the rewind side carburetor was pilot jet was clogged, so it wouldn't idle on that one. So another big thing. Tidy there. Tidy there. And tidy there. Yeah, I know I could use better tools. Oh yeah. Nothing better than clang-a-dangs. Clip. Alrighty. Fuse on. I did put coolant in. Oil's perfect. Carb's got bowls, got fuel. I should put coolant in here actually. Oh man. Should come off. I know. Oh. And maybe not. You know what? We're gonna risk it. Sorry for the crappy video quality there. Get rid of this useless junk. Oh. Put this back on. Give a little. Yeah, all sound working. Man, I don't even know where to put you guys. We'll try here first. I'm gonna try without choke. Keys on, gas, fuel, spark plugs, PI is in. Alright, here goes nothing. This may start, this may not. Well, she fired. I don't think she'll fire again. Sounds nasty. Alrighty. Well, if I get her fired, so I just don't know where to put the phone. I don't really think I can do. I don't know.